WooCommerce with Oberlo Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to WooCommerce and Oberlo are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll explore how WooCommerce integrates with Oberlo for dropshipping, covering key features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's ideal for. Let's get WooCommerce is a highly customizable e-commerce platform, and when paired with Oberlo, it becomes a powerful dropshipping solution. Oberlo allows you to easily import products from suppliers into your WooCommerce store, automating the entire process from order fulfillment to inventory updates. It's a user-friendly tool that simplifies the product research process, making it easier for you to find trending items to sell. Oberlo's integration with WooCommerce also enables you to manage products, track orders, and update pricing and shipping information, all from one central dashboard. The strengths of WooCommerce with Oberlo lie in its automation and ease of use. Oberlo takes the hassle out of importing products, and once you've set up your store, the automation kicks in, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your business. The platform supports a large variety of products, which gives you flexibility in choosing what to sell. WooCommerce is also open source, which means you have full control over your store's design and functionality. Additionally, Oberlo's order fulfillment system ensures smooth and reliable delivery to customers, which enhances your reputation as a seller. However, there are some weaknesses. While Oberlo is a great tool, it's not as fully featured as some other options like AliDropship or Dropified. Additionally, because WooCommerce is open source, it requires you to manage hosting, security, and maintenance, which can be overwhelming for beginners. You'll also need to be comfortable with the technical aspects of WooCommerce setup to make the most of its full potential. WooCommerce with Oberlo is perfect for entrepreneurs who want a customizable platform and are comfortable handling some technical aspects. If you're looking for a low-cost solution that gives you flexibility in design and product sourcing, this setup could be a great choice. That's it for today's review. For more details, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dropshipping tips and insights.